Hello everyone. Today I'm taking this video just want to correct some of my small idea to decorate the table with our table fabric and flowers. Um, because the small ideas, just a little change than before tutorial. So I don't think it's not there's no necessary to make the tutorial one by one, so I correct them to make this tutorial. Okay, now let's get in start. First of all, we will put the let's put on the tablecloths. If you are interested know more about our tablecloths, how to customize the tablecloths from us and the type of the tablecloths, you can check my old video. I will post the links on below information field. But please don't skip the advertisement as a supporting. Okay, let's go. Okay, then let's take the tablecloth clip and take a ring on the clip and push on the table. Okay. I take two clips on two sides of the table, and then I will type this flower wine onto the clip. About the flower wine, I already took a video to show you how to make the flower wine with our flower support wire in simple way. If you are interested, I paste the link to below information field. If you are interested, you can watch that video. But please do not skip the advertisement, because I will got revenue from the from YouTube, and I will use that money to buy more material and take more video. So please support. Okay, completed. Let's check it. This is the table floral garland. Look at this. In fact, the effect on the screen is not much good. Look at this. You can feel the garland will much more pop up from the tablecloths. But in fact, in the reality, it's really very beautiful, because it's in 3D space in reality, but on the screen, the effect's not much good as the real. Okay, let's check the detail. First, let's check the garland. And because the garland, our flower support wire is 1.5 meter long, about. It's long. It's too much long on our table. You can remove the flower and bend it. Bend the rest wide to hide on the behind. But because I want to use this flower wire for my other project, so I bend it on the table. The effects are good also. And add one more clip, because I add one more clip to fix the iron wire. If you don't want it on this page, just remove the flowers and bend the wire. Because there's iron wire in our flower support wire, so you can bend it, you can adjust the shape. And also because of there's an iron wire inside, so we can adjust the shape to make a smile shape on the table. If you're using other material, it's hard to adjust. It's hard to adjust it. So if you are interested to buy this flower support wire, you can link to my blog for the price and send me message to tell me the quality you want and your country. I will call you the price with shipping costs. Okay then, let's go to the next idea. Okay, let's go to our two other idea. In fact, these two ideas are very similar, so we will go fast. First, I need the fabric. We have so many colors to supply. So if you are interested, you can check them from my blog. You can find the link from below information field. Spread the fabric and then grab some fabric on one end of the table and then clip with the push on the clip. This is what it looked like after I clip on the fabric. And then same, just tape the flower wire to the clip and adjust the shape. Will be okay. I will show you the effect. Okay, completed. Actually, it's really beautiful in 3D space, but you check the effect from the screen. It's really different. Okay, this is the effect. And since this is my desk table, it's really not large enough. So if you use this idea on the event table, so the table will be much more wider, the effect will be much more good. I just show you how to make it, so I think you will do better in the reality. Okay, let's go to the next idea. Just put the fabric on one angle of the table, clip with two clips. Okay, then tie on the flower wire. Okay, this is the other idea, just a little change. Maybe this fabric will be clipped much more wider, but maybe it's just because my table is not wide enough. I think you will do it better. Okay, then this is another idea. In fact, it's the same idea. I just change the material I use. Uh, I make it with our long uh, oaky wine. I think the oaky wine will be 1.3 or 1.5 meters long. I'm not sure. If you want to know the detail, you can go to my blog. We have a lot of color: pink, white, green, blue, purple. Since the okiwai is thin, so if you want it look much fuller, for example, this decoration I combined two wine. You can combine two or three or more wine, so you can make a thicker, larger flower wine. Okay. Um, you can tie them together, but it's very important if you just use two or key wine to tie them together. If you not tie them correctly, the come out will become here. But if you apply more than two or key wine, I think the problem will not happen. Like this. So I tie them together, two oki wine. I tie them like this here, and then hit them here. That cross them, you know, and then cross them. So the oki wine won't separate like this. So this is the problem I found when I try to make this video, so I share with you. Okay. The other thing I will Sam just tie them to the clip will be okay. If you want them drag to the floor, you just add the OKY, connect them, will be okay. Okay, this is the effect after I made it as the smile garland. There's iron wire inside, so you can make the shape. It's easy. I think to add one more OKY will be better. And please look at the color. In fact, the oki flower is in white color, but not the pure white. It's ivory white, a little few yellow. But actually, it's not that yellow and green as is shown on the screen. It's ivory white, but not as white as the tablecloth. You can compare the color, and I will show you. I will show you. I will show you them. Okay, then let's check the effect for the other idea. Okay. Okay, look at this. Look at the color. I add the milk white fabric cover the table, so you can compare the color. It's the orchid flower is white color, but not that pure white, like a milk white or ivory white, so please be careful. But actually, in the reality, if you use this orchid white to decorate the pure white table, the effects are very good also. Just decide what you want will be okay. And also, I found the problem is I really recommend to add at least one more iron wire, orchid wire here to make it full. Because when I try to make this decoration, if only two wide, the effect will come out like this, not face ahead. So if you add at least one more orchid white, can make it fuller, so no matter what, the flower are full enough, will not show the green stem. Okay, and if it drop like this, you can serve the orchid white to this fabric, or use a clip, a brooch to fix it to the table will be okay, to the tablecloth. But to make it easy, just add one more orchid white will be okay. Okay, then I adjust the fabric and the sweat to make it much more pretty. In fact, talking about the effect by using this orchid wire and or our flowers wire, the orchid wire will be looks much more simple but elegant. Using the flower wire will make it much more gorgeous. So both of them are very pretty and I like them. Just pick the style, pick the type you like will be okay. I suddenly got an idea when I making this cream fabric and make the string like this. This is the I haven't completed. I want to make a flower ball here and drop some flower, sarch or leaf white here. If I find it's possible, I will take another idea. So if you are interested, you can wait for my new post. But please do not skip the advertisement as a supporting. Okay? Thank you for your support and thank you for your watching. Bye bye.